Making a mug cake under 2 minutes? This looks too good to be true. And you know what that means, I have to try it. Adding my 3 ingredients, 1 egg, Nutella, and flour. Give it a nice long whisk until it's all smoothed out. And pop it in the microwave. What is this smoke? This is so weird, it's all burned inside. I'll flip it over to, oh my god, I can't eat that. This cool hack can be done with just a marker and a spoon. It looks so fun I want to try it and see if it works. Draw on the spoon with a whiteboard marker and release it slowly in the water. Oh my god, I think it's working. Or is it? Yay, it did. This hack makes you a pro at cutting onions? Let's put it to the test. Grab a potato peeler and start shaving the onion. Let me try it differently. I'll go slower this time. I don't think this is going to work. Did you know you can reuse your candles? Neither did I. With a few leftover wax, you can make a brand new candle. Let's try this incredible trick out. All we need is to put hot water in the candle glass and wait for it to melt. When it's melted, the candle liquid goes up and creates a layer of candle that will be easier to get out. Now, let's just stack all of our leftover candle in a new jar and wow, it really works. Can't wait to light it tonight. Amazing uses of a fork. Slicing green onions finely is a real test of knife skills. But scraping them with a fork before cutting can give you fine, even strips. Let's test out if this hack really works. Scrape, scrape, scrape. And the final check. Yes, it definitely worked. If you drop an egg into water, it should sink to the bottom like this. If it floats to the top, it likely went bad. Let's put this hack to the test and see if it really works. It's floating. I'm gonna crack it open now to see if it's a bad one. It looks okay. Let's smell it. Ew, it stinks. The hack works though. This Haribo hack is going viral on the internet, making it super easy to save your already open bag for later. But does it really work? We are going to find out now. Grab the middle part and pull it all the way down. I ripped it. Let's start over. Pull the middle part all the way down. Now through the loop and roll through the loop again. And wow, it does really work. Life hacks I didn't think actually worked until I tried them myself. Well, now I want to try it too, ha 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 ha. Let's finally decide if it works well or not. Us pizza lovers need to find the right way to reheat it to perfection. Lid off, and it already looks mouth-watering. Take a closer look, it's looking promising. Moment of truth and... woohoo! It was worth it.